Hello young guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows installer package problem. So guys, very easy. If you want to fix Windows installer package problem, first you click on start, type here relative, click on registry editor. After click on Hacker Glasses root and search here, and here option messy package, so click it and click on shell and right click on new, click on key, type here run as RU and AS, click on default and type here value data, install capital I and STALL space AS space and symbol administrator AMINISTRATO. Click on OK. That is right click on new, type your key, type here MCIEXEC space slash I space one. Copy, type your command, here paste, click on OK. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix Windows installer package problem tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for latest updates.